These are the elevators at the Ocean Palace Hotel, Long Branch, New Jersey. Let's go WN, Schindler indicator. So, I think that's a Schindler indicator. But this one's here.
We got done at 12 over your village. Actually, last night.
This probably is a Schindler. I'd say that's a Schindler indicator.
Right in the right foot, okay? So, oh man.
We're going up to 12. I'm gonna pull off the door closed.
Are you guys coming? Or
Oh no, these are Otis.
Thank you.
It's gotta be. It's gotta be an Otis.
We actually went to dinner last night in
Oh,
Asbury.
this is an Otis.
Where did you go?
Door close button does not work.
We went to
Your emergency phone? No, no phone.
The same owners have
Yes.
2,500
Serena.
pounds.
Yeah, and I went there to eat a couple weeks ago after that fundraiser that we did.
Oh, yeah.
Before actually.
This has gotta be an Otis.
My boyfriend knows the
This is an
owner.
Otis style panel.
The owner sends us something for free. I'm like,
Is this 12?
no.
No, this is just two. Door close button does not work.
Phenomenal. It was just so good.
Yeah, I bet.
Oh yeah, I had what did I have last night? Actually, I usually go with fish, but I had pork chops. So I was like, it was awesome. So
I'm sure it was good. We had this pasta I'll never forget. Capers and hot peppers.
so good.
It's your panel.
Melissa!
Those are EPCO
Good, how are
WN
you?
signature fixtures.
Yes, actually, we're just, I'm actually going to Kelly's
There's gotta be
room
an
right now. We
Otis.
just put together some goodie bags, but,
This has got to be an Otis.
yeah.
Go down to L. Sales, service, and repair. That is weird. Never heard of them. Sales, service, and repair elevator company. Strange. Stopping on 7. Doubt I could pull off the door closed. Oh, this is the phone over here. Yeah, 988 compliant. I'm gonna get out on 3. I'm gonna take a different car up. Try and find the service elevators here. Maybe I can get a ride alone. Your famous EPCO WN signature series. Ooh, this one has a mechanical bell. This one might not have been modernized. I don't know. Oh, that one's here. Hello. It's going up to 12. The button of the door closed does not work. This too is a sales, service, and repair elevator company elevator. This was probably modernized at some point. The building looks older than the elevators. And this is traction. In that mirror, who do you see? It's your cab view. While we have it to ourselves. Go back down to L. Ooh, Adam's chime. JL interlock, I believe. And to back up on 12. I might get the left one because that one sounded like it had a mechanical bell. Hello.
Hello. That's all for it. That was all for one.
you out so I can turn around. I don't think this is on 4, it's a 6.
Are we on 6?
Oh yeah, okay. Why did I think we're on 4?
Just send this back down to Al, because I want to get the right car. This also has a panel over there. Oh, dude, there's a service elevator here. It says it was over here. Let's probably do that door. I'll get it in a second. Yeah, there's a service elevator. Please be this car. Yes! Adam's chime. Here it is. Oh, this one appeared to be modernized as well. Sales, service, and repair elevator. Could be original, I'm not saying it was modernized. Just the building looks old. Oh, mechanical bell. Here, view exactly the same as the other one. Look in that mirror, who do you see? Hi. We're stuck on 6. Boom shaka. Oh.
Oh, then you can go to the expo for trying to
No phone in this cabinet. It's probably over there.
Did we push a button?
I had Emma.
Is it in the hotel we have to
No
go?
guys.
Bye guys, have fun, see you in a little bit. Oh, I thought it was out in the village. Okay, I'll be there in a minute.
Call me.
Bye. What?
Here's your phone, also not ADA compliant. Let me get back to 12. No one's here. Someone shows up. I could be able to pull if the door closed. Hey, maybe they'll have a freight elevator. I don't know. Kind of bumpy. For the rest of the ride, I'll do impact cam. Here we are on 12. Watch it close. Oh, let's ring the bell. There it goes. Now to the freight elevator.